Can you please tell me what is the #1 catalyst that sends a new project flying, especially after it launches? Major exchange listings. I just found an absolute powerhouse of a project that already has tier 1 exchanges lined up, and you have a tiny window left to get in before it actually starts trading publicly. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, if you didn't know, we're now in the final pre-sale phase. We're talking about the pre-sale here. It's dangerously close to hitting its $15 million hard cap. They've literally just smashed through the $14 million mark. Now, with over 22,000 holders already securing their bags, this is the final countdown before the public launch, all right? Now, I want you guys to take a look right here. We've got this beautiful dashboard. This isn't just a token, you guys. It's a unified trading super app where you can actually trade crypto, commodities, forex, stocks, right? You can actually do all of this with just one account. So technically, having a polished live beta platform is exactly why this project is so attractive. It's actually attracting a lot of serious capital. Now, the biggest news, you guys, is that multiple major centralized exchange listings are already confirmed to happen shortly after the token launches. So this means there will be massive, immediate liquidity and exposure to millions of retail traders the moment this presale ends. So right now, this is technically your last chance, you guys, to accumulate tokens before the centralized exchange listings go live and the masses jump in. Right? So by using the exclusive promo code YT50, you instantly get a 50% bonus on your tokens, giving you a huge head start. All right? And not only that, you guys, something else that's cool to mention is the revenue share here. So don't forget that holding through the launch also means you're eligible for up to 70% of the platform's trading fee revenues. When it comes to security here, the entire ecosystem has been fully audited by Certec, CoinSalt, and SolidProof, which means your investment is built on a highly secure foundation. So I highly recommend you guys dive into this. Be sure to check this out on BlockchainFX. Once again, you guys, this is going to be an amazing, huge opportunity. You know, if we actually take a look here, you guys can see how good these charts look. And there are actually a lot of different things you can do with these charts, right? So we have different chart types. You can see that right there. Candlesticks, bars. We even have Heikin-Ashi, right? Then we have the line chart. We have different time frames. We even have graphical tools. For example, a trend line, right? You can clearly see how this works when we have our different time frames. For example, we could take a look at the 30-day. You guys can see exactly how this looks. We even have that buy at feature, right? Then we even have the sell at feature. Buy means go long, sell means go short. There's a huge opportunity to get in. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the public launch and the exchange listings are literally right around the corner. Now, if you click that link down below in the description and use code YT50, you'll get a 50% token bonus. Let's say you actually get in position before this hits the major exchanges, you're in for a nice ride. Be sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. And also, leave a comment and tell me exactly how you feel. And once again, check out the link down below in the description. Use that code to get some bonuses.